How to add profile on Netflix. So let's get started. First, what we need to do is click on this profile picture and the next 3 horizontal lines in the corner. And then I'm gonna click on Manage Profiles. Here we can simply add profile, but if you don't see this add option here, that means you got already 5 profiles. Maximum is 5. So in this case, I'm gonna delete this one. And if I delete this one, you can see there is a add profile option right here. So click on it and just simply add some profile. If you want to do it on your desktop, if you are on this page, simply click on your profile picture in the top right corner, manage profiles. And again, if you got 5 profiles, you can't add more profiles. So you need to delete one. So I'm gonna do it real quick. And now we're gonna have this option add profile. Thank you for watching. If you found it helpful, please leave a comment or hit the like button and have a nice day. See you later.